Okay, it's all back together. Now the moment of truth. Ugh. I don't know if it's a memory thing, or if it's gonna clear up immediately. First, let me lock the Jeep. Looking for the airbag light. That I am ruthless. So those are still on for right now. Close the trunk. So, as we see, we still have those service traction control, service brake assist. So as long as those are on, we're gonna get stability track, ABS, and traction control. So what I'm hoping is that as we drive, it will recognize the new magnet and read the sensor again. So we're gonna go for a ride and see what happens.